Anyway, what a wild night weather-wise.
A wallop. I mean, we got some serious rainfall. I'm going to show you who got the most in the gauge. And it turned out to be a really nice evening. North winds were feeling pretty good. Outside on the hill tonight, winds have gone calm and the temperatures are somewhat comfortable. In fact, right now under partly to mostly cloudy skies, 68, and the winds are completely calm, but that dew point is still at 65. So despite raining 3 to 4 inches out of the atmosphere, we still have a good amount of moisture out there. All right, here's that beautiful rainbow. This was captured by Ken's 5 viewer Miguel de la Rosa. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, you look at the top of the rainbow and then it's just beautiful color below it. I mean, just cuts it right off. This is from 410 and I-35. Almost looks like a sunset, right? Like this is the sun, like a real big close-up. Huge. We're getting closer to the sun or something, right? All right, rainfall. It was about 4 o'clock. Started watching some of those storms develop around Kendall County. And then this just grew into a really huge mesoscale system that dropped in with small hail. I mean, at certain points, hail cores got pretty large, but we never recorded anything larger than penny-size hail. But it was really flooding more than anything else, where we had flood advisories from Fredericksburg all the way through Bexar County. And this is why. Watch the I-10 corridor to see the most impressive totals. Anywhere from close to 4 inches, that's going to be Comfort. Here's a little more than 3 at Bernie. Here's 4+ in the Helotes area, 3 inches in between Hondo and Castroville, 3.5 near Elmendorf, where we had some flood reports. Also had flood reports at Chavano Park as well as Leon Valley. All right, so now things will settle down a bit. A small ridge of high pressure builds. Tuesday, sunshine. Wednesday, sunshine. Then by Thursday, Friday, we start clouding up again. And we'll start seeing some good upper level winds moving from southwest and northeast right across South Texas. When that happens, that southwest flow will sometimes trigger some small disturbances. Beneath it, though, you have to keep in mind that when the air is rushing out atop of us, then the air here at the surface is trying to rise up and replace what's leaving, in other words. And so when that happens, there's a lot of instability in the atmosphere, and we're going to have a lot of good Gulf moisture pouring in on southeast winds. In fact, by Wednesday, maybe into Thursday, Friday for sure, it's going to be a bit on the breezy side. Not tomorrow. Winds won't be a factor on Tuesday as we get some nice afternoon sunshine. High hits about 87. But watch the UV index tomorrow. If you're going to spend any time outdoors, it'll peak around 130 at 10.7. That means 15 minutes of unprotected skin will definitely burn. So take the precautions and don't forget to reapply your sunscreen. All right, 7-day forecast. We're going down to 66 for tomorrow morning, then a partly cloudy Tuesday, high hits 87. Nice looking day, 10% chance mainly for some leftover showers that could pop in daytime heating. Right now it looks like most of those will materialize southeast of the city. Then we're dry Wednesday, looking at 88. Mostly sunny turns to mostly cloudy by Thursday and Friday. Both days looking to be breezy with southeast winds coming in around 20 miles per hour. So that's bringing in a lot of moisture into the atmosphere. Could get a system in for the weekend. 20% chance on Saturday. Better chance coming in for Sunday.
So grateful for the rain today.
Yeah.